guys, Rick Hogg with War HOGG Tactical. I want to talk to you about what I call my 1-1-1 drill. So what I like to do is incorporate physical duress into my training. So if we just sit there all the time, we're just flat-footed on the range, we're not really elevating our heart rate, we're not feeling, hey, what's it like to breathe heavy, heart rate going, and then try to actually get our sights on target and be able to make shots. So I like to use just, simple brute force bag. You can use whatever you want. You can run numerous different variables you can put in to get your heart rate elevated. It's just a matter of you kind of thinking, hey, what to do. But really, once I use this, all I'm looking to do as far as the 1-1-1 goes, so for me, it's basically one with my strong, or excuse me, one freestyle, one strong, and then I'm doing a handgun transfer, and then I'm doing one support. So it just gives me a chance to kind of work all of my different positions. So I'm working freestyle, which is two hands. I get my strong and my support. This to me just incorporates everything so that now if I am sitting there breathing heavy, whatever the case may be, hey, it's easy for two. Let's make it a little harder with my strong. And then, oh, by the way, when I go to my support, I've got to sit there and work that as well. You noticed when I'm sitting here, a key thing that a lot of people forget is when they're doing that is they don't adjust their feet. So yes, I'm in my kind of normal stance here. When I draw that pistol out, boom, I get my shot. But now when I go to use my strong hand, I've got to sit there and take that step with my strong leg. And then when I transfer back to over to my left hand, I've got to make that other step so that now I can get on there and get my foot, so it's giving me the best recoil management possible. So again, I'll just kind of show you a couple different drills you can do, just different things you can think about. Change things up, adjust however you want, but the biggest thing is get something where you're increasing your heart rate. So go ahead, get your eyes and ears on. So I'm gonna conduct my War HOGG administrative load. I draw my pistol out. It allows me to check my optics. They're still good. Lock my slide to the rear, secure my mag. Mag goes in, slide forward. Sit there, do my War HOGG check. I've got a round, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my ammo in, and then I'm good to go. So a simple thing I can do is I can really just take my bag, and you can pick however much physical duration you can pick however much physical duress you want to put yourself under. Biggest thing is right before you draw that pistol, you want to take that good deep calming breath, settle everything down during that draw sequence, and then get your pistol out. So let's do some simple squats with overhead press with the bag. So basically I'm here, I bring the bag down, I sit there, squat, raise it up. I can do a couple of these. And then for me, once I'm good, I sit there, basically just drop the pistol, or drop the bag, draw my pistol, and I sit there. And then once I'm done, finger comes off, I transfer back, I come back, I can resecure my bag. I can do a variety of different exercises. I could sit there and do things such as basically just throw the bag to the side, where now I'm twisting kind of back and forth. This gives me an option. I can sit there and actually, if I wanted to, I could throw the bag over my shoulder. And then same thing, once it hits, I can sit there, come out for one, and then I can continue with whatever my repetition is. Biggest thing you'll see is once I sit there and draw that pistol out, I'm taking that good deep calming breath, settle everything down because I know my heart rate is up. You can go as hard as you want, you can add running in there, whatever you want. Make sure you're including physical duress so that you can increase your survivability if you're ever in a gunfight.